In this video, we will see how to fix if your iPhone Face ID is not detecting your face or if your iPhone Face ID is not working. So let's start the video and check out the method how to fix the issue. Sometimes there might be multiple reasons, but in this video, we'll try to cover the genuine reasons and solution for it. So guys, first of all, the most common one, that is check your tempered glass or check your camera lens. If there is any dust or anything there stuck up between your tempered glass and your camera lens, that is blocking your face scanning or face detection, just go ahead and check your camera lens if it is clean and there is no dust. That is a hardware part, so check it thoroughly and make sure of that. Okay, once you do it, now the next step. So do one thing. First of all, after doing that, now do one thing, go to a setting application. Okay, open settings. In settings, go to one thing, that is your face ID and passcode. Just open that. Okay, enter the passcode. And here if you see, make sure that you have enabled iPhone unlock. Sometime by default or by mistake, you must have disabled that. So make sure that iPhone unlock is enabled on your settings. Okay, after that scroll down, and here if you see, there's an option called require attention for your face ID. What it means, that whenever you're trying to unlock your iPhone with your face ID, that time you should pay attention to your iPhone. That means you should look at your iPhone while unlocking your iPhone. That time your camera lens will try to detect your eyes, whether you are looking at your phone or not. Once you're looking at your phone while unlocking, that time only it will work on your iPhone. So face id will work only when you are paying attention or looking at your phone while unlocking it. Okay, that's a third thing what you can check. Okay, once you do it, now if the still issue is happening, the next thing what you can try, just go ahead and reboot your iPhone. What you can do, just swipe down the control center and here is your reboot icon. Just go ahead and just reboot your iPhone and try again, because sometimes if there is any glitch or issue that causes the error. Okay, just reboot your iPhone, and if you are still facing the issue, what you can do, before trying to add new face ID, what you can do, just force reboot your iPhone. That is, do one thing, just press volume up button, volume down button, and keep and press and hold power button until the Apple logo comes up. Once you force reboot your iPhone, try that again. It should fix it by now. Otherwise, the next step, that is resetting your Face ID. For that, do one thing. Go to your setting application. In settings, scroll down, and here just go ahead and open Face ID and passcode. Okay. Enter the passcode. Once you enter the passcode, here if you see in Face ID, just scroll down, and here is the option called reset Face ID. For now it is disabled, not available for me, because I have enabled stolen device protection on my iPhone, so it is not available for me. For you it is available. Just go ahead, tap it here and reset your face id on your iPhone. So once you set your new face id with your new appearance, it will surely try to work on your iPhone as well. That you can try. If that you can't do, just go ahead and choose the option called set up an alternative appearance. That means that you can set up a new face for your face ID. If you see, if you changed your face, or sorry, if your appearance has changed or anything else, just go ahead, choose this, and automatically there is a new setup option given to you for your new face ID. Just go ahead and start here and register your new face for your face ID. So guys, that's it, all the possible things I try to tell you. Okay, I hope at least one of them works for you and fix your issue. And if something works for you, let me know in the comment below. That is helpful for me as well as other viewers. So guys, until then, I hope it helped you, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.